Okay, so sorry for that internet stuff. It's really dumb, and I want to shoot my internet. Okay. Okay, so Emma, do you remember how to play Bishop or Alma Mater Blues?
Alma Mater Blues. Which one is that again? There's so many blues.
Do you remember that one? Okay. Can you play that for me?
Here. Oh, sorry.
Yep. Perfect. Hang on. I'm sending another email to. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna learn another version of it. Okay. And because do you remember the other one that we did, which was we'd go. Let's see. Is that what you just played?
No.
Okay, do we know that part? You remember that?
Just a second.
Good job. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna learn another part to it to make it even longer and cooler, okay? These are called the cage chords. So I'm gonna play it for you so you know what it sounds like, and then I'll teach it to you. So it goes. Actually, I'll go down here. Can't really see my. Okay, so it's really fun. Here we go. I'm gonna move it down so you can see it. Okay, so this is how we do the cage chords. We're gonna spell out the word cage with our notes. Okay, so we're gonna play C on the top. Then we're gonna play A, then G, then E, like that. Can you try that? Yep, and play them all. Yep. Perfect. Okay, so that's our one chord. Now, to make our four chord, we're gonna make everything the same, except for our thumb's gonna go down to this black note. Yeah, exactly. And a little trick that will help that is if you move your hand up so you can reach the black note. And then you can move it back down. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Okay, so this is our 1, our 4. Okay, now to get our 5, we take our 1 chord and we move it up 1 note. Yep. Yep, perfect. Okay, so let's just do that a couple times. So we'll go 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Can you do that?
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Yep, exactly. Okay, so you got that. Okay, so those are our cage chords, okay? Actually, I'm just going to drill you. Okay, can you play me the cage chord 1 chord? And now the 5 chord. And now the 4 chord. Perfect, you got it. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it now. When you look, this is the paper that we have for cage, all right? And let's see, Emma, do you have the book yet?
No.
Okay, can you go get a piece of paper and pencil so that we can write this down?
Sure. Just wait here a second and I'm gonna mute because I have noisy siblings.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what we need to write on our paper, okay? Just this part. So you're gonna write the 1, and then write a line under it.
I got it.
Then a 1 and a V and a line under it. That's a 4 chord.
And then a 1, and then a 1 with a circle around it. Then a 4 with a line under it. A 4, 4 with a line under it. 1 circled. 5, 4, 1, 1.
Okay, got it?
Yep.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is every time you have a line under it, you're gonna do the cage chord. Okay, so all the lined ones, that's cage. So you go, for the first one, it's, for the second one, it's, okay, when it has nothing and it's just a 1, you do. With the circle ones, that's when you do your Bishop Street Blues chord. Okay, makes sense? So you go. Okay, so let's give it a try.
Okay, I'm just gonna do the first line.
All right.
Wait. Am I playing that right?
There you go, that's it.
So, I think that doesn't sound right.
That is right. Yep, that's right.
So, I just have a question. Do you only play it once with each bat?
Yeah, you can do it like that. That's how we'll do it to begin with, and then I'll show you a different way.
And then are in the wrong place. Oh.
Perfect. You totally did it. Did you just do the whole song?
Yeah.
Whoa! I thought you were gonna do just the first line. That was perfect. Okay, so that is Alma Blues 3. Okay, so the way that you're gonna do it now is you're gonna play the first version of Alma Mater Blues. So you'll go. And you'll play all the way through. So actually, I'm gonna play for you exactly how you're gonna do it, okay? So you'll play the first one, then you'll play the second one, and then you'll play the third one. So let me play for you what you're gonna play for Alma Mater Blues now, okay? So this is what it's gonna sound like. Okay. Whew. So now it's really long. Okay, so I'm gonna let you go ahead and play that for me. The whole thing, just like that. Do the first one, second one, and then the third one, okay?
Okay. Wait, nope, that was the wrong place.
Yeah, so don't play that yet.
Wait, nope, that.
Good job, woo! Perfect. Okay, so you have a big, huge Alma Mater Blues to play now, okay? And that's gonna be really, really awesome and fun. Okay, I think we can learn the next song too because that was pretty easy for us. So the next one's Minuet in G, okay? And this is what it sounds like. Sorry, I'm still trying to figure my internet stuff out. That's why I am on my phone, but okay. So let me play for you. Okay, ready? Goes like this. Oh, sorry. I have to teach you not that part. Let's see. I'm teaching you just the first part, and I know the second part too. So, there we go. Okay. So here we go. This is a new one for us. So we've never done this one, right?
Okay. But my sister loves it, and right as you played the first 3 notes, I recognized it.
Yeah, it's really famous. So this one we'll learn only the first half in book 2, and in the third book we'll learn the second half. Okay, so here's how it goes. The top hand gets to do a little pattern, and if you look on the paper, this is what the paper looks like, but you don't have the paper, but this is what it looks like. So we're going to play the top finger, then we're going to do a 5 steps of sound starting with your thumb going all the way to the top, and then we go bottom, bottom. Yep, so we're going to start on G, thumbs on G because it's Minuet in G. Okay, so we're going to play pinky, then do an arrow going up, and then, so go ahead and try that. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to do that same thing, but we're going to change it up a little bit, okay? We're going to move our hand up to C, so our thumb's on C. And instead of playing the top finger, we're going to play 3 finger. Okay, so 3, and then we're going to play, okay, go all the way like that, except for, because we're going to play our 5 steps of sound, except for instead of playing our 4 finger right here, we're going to play our 4 finger on this black note. Can you try that? So, yep, try it one more time. One more time. Yep, and one more time. And then instead of doing a bottom, bottom right here, we're going to jump back down to our G. Okay. Yep, just like that. Try it again. Yep, and again.
There we go.
Jump down to the G. So try that again. Perfect. Okay, that's our first part. The next part, we're going to do a little pattern. Okay, and we're going to start it with our 4 finger, and the pattern goes, we go 4 finger, then we go up 1, and then down 3. So we go up 1, down 3. Okay, dun, da, 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 da. So we're going to put our thumb on G, and we go up 1, then down 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you try that? Yep, exactly. Okay, then we do the same pattern, but we start with 3 finger. Up 1, then down 3. Okay, now we're going to do it with our 2 finger. Now watch carefully on this one. Okay, because we're going to run out of fingers, so we need to do something. So we're going to do 2 finger and then up 1. Then we're going to go down 3, but we only have 2 more fingers. So we go 1, 2, and we're going to cross our finger over and play this black note. And then we'll play our thumb one more time.
So like this.
2 finger. So it's going to sound like this.
Oh, so that was why I did it wrong.
There you go, yep. Because remember, we're only going to learn the first part. So the second part we're going to learn in book 3. And that's probably the one that you're hearing. It goes. That's the one that you're hearing. But we're not going to do that one yet. Okay, so all together we have. Can you try that? Perfect. Yep, that's it. Good job. Okay, so now what we're going to do is do the bottom hand fingers, okay? So we have 2 different patterns, okay? The first one goes pinky. Yeah, okay. Pinky, middle, top, middle. So you can think of bottom, middle, top, middle, okay? Except for this guy's going to be top, not the thumb. So you're going to chop the thumb off and go bottom, middle, top, middle, okay? Exactly, yep. Okay? But your pinky's on G. Because remember, it's the minuet in G. So it goes right there. So try that. Bottom, middle, top, middle, bottom, middle, top, middle, okay? So that's our first one. Our second one, have you ever seen Star Trek? Do you know what Star Trek is? You might not know what Star Trek is, but it's this.
I've heard of it.
Okay, well, this is what Spock does. He makes this little weird sign. Okay, so we're going to do a Spock, okay? So we're going to use these groups of fingers and these group of fingers. And we'll play the top note first and then the bottom note. So top, bottom, top, bottom. Okay, so we'll go top, bottom, top, bottom. Can you try that? Pinky on. Exactly. So try that again. Perfect. Okay, do you remember the first one? Bottom, middle, top, middle. Yep, and you only do it once. And then, can you do the second one for me? Do you remember that one?
What?
The second one, the Spock. Can you remember that one? Yep, exactly. Okay, so those are the 2 that we have. So now I'm going to put them together, and we're going to see if we can do it together. So we have. Okay, so every time we play 5 finger, we're going to do one. So 5, 5. Okay, and remember, this one was 5, but we changed it to 3. So we're going to play, it is a 5, but it's 3. So we go 5. Can you try that? Does that make sense?
Yeah. Are they an octave apart?
Yeah, so they're right next to each other like this.
Okay. So, just a second. That's
Middle.
wait.
Bottom, middle, top, middle.
Yeah.
Now, ready? Okay, let's just do that again. Go ahead and do it again. Okay, try it again.
Good girl, that way.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do until we get it pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, that was it. That was really good, Emma. Really good. Okay, so you got that. So now we have. Okay, so every time you start your pattern, on that first finger you start your pattern on, you'll do a note. So we start with 4 first. So we do. Then we did 3. Then we did 2. And now the last note, we'll do 1.
Okay, so. Nope, that's not it. And then it's.
Yeah, that was it. Good job. Okay, try it again, just like that.
We've been playing this game.
Yeah. Okay, you want to try both of them together?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
It's called premature sophistication, and it looks bad. Just a second. You just put it in. Okay. That's
Yeah, woohoo! Good job, Emma. You totally did it. Should we try one more time?
yeah.
Okay, let's do one more time. Good job, Emma. You rock. Okay, so now you know 2 songs. That was like really fast. We've learned that in like 2 seconds, it feels like. Okay, so this week you now have Alma Mater Blues, the full things, the full 3 sections, which I think I'm going to have you play for me one more time. Because I was in the middle of texting someone when you played it for me last time because they were having issues with the internet. So, and then we'll play Minuet and G one more time. Okay, so Go ahead and play for me all of Alma Mater Blues.
Wait. Yeah. Just a second.
Good job. That was it. That was totally it. Perfect.
Yep, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
No, I was playing the bottom hand wrong.
Yeah. Good job, Emma. That was perfect. Okay, let's do Minuet G one more time.
Okay. Just a second.
Perfect. Good job, Emma. Woohoo! Okay, so we have 2 new songs, so you can add those to your playlist. Next week, we're going to learn Star Spangled Banner. So I might have to take a picture of this to send to you since you don't have the paper, the book, okay? But we only have 1, 2, 3 more songs in book 2 to learn. So this is super exciting. The light blue is a little tricky, so that might take us a little bit. And then we get to learn the next part of Fur Elise, which will be really fun. That one's pretty easy. So yes, Emma.
Well, I was wondering, could you name off the songs I learned at first? Because I think I forgot one of them.
The very first book?
No, the very first songs I learned in the second book. Like the first
The very
3.
first song is I'll Be There. Then it goes, hang on, where's my paper? I gotta look it up. Hang on. Give me 2 seconds. I've lost the little paper that I have that says what it is. So I have to look it up on my computer.
That's what you do. That's yeah. Without rain.
Here we go. Level 2.
Climb up with your legs. Climb up with your legs.
Okay.
You want to take a break?
So it goes I'll Be There. Then we have the Alma Mater Blues second section, which you already know. Then we have Ode to Joy, the second section. And then we did Amazing Grace with the 7th chords. And then you have Dog.
Or
and then it's the two
I was-
songs you just learned.
yeah, I thought I was skipping I'll Be There, but I actually do play it.
Okay. Awesome. So you know half the songs, which is super cool. So, okay. All right. Well, that will conclude our lesson for today. I'm so sorry about internet stuff. I'm going to call them and try to figure it out so this won't happen next week. So, but have fun practice time, and we'll see you next week.
Okay, bye.
Bye.